Alright, hello everyone, my name is Kadi. We're back with another video, another trading day. Right here, currently looking at the chart on the 10-minute. It's a little bit pretty bearish, sorry. Pretty bearish. So we're looking at it on the 1-minute, or dropping down to the 2-minute actually. I see this huge thing right here. I mean, honestly, price action does not look that great, to be honest. But yeah, that's how it's looking right now, just based off of my system. Like, this is like where I should be looking. So I usually like invert it to kind of make it look like a sell. But I feel like, I don't know, price has just so much more to go down that I feel like it might not be able to go like bullish, bearish from here. I mean, again, I could be wrong, but yeah, perhaps this could have been my trade, but I'm okay with that prospect. Again, so if I were to let me see here, and then yeah, no, if I wanted to take a trade like that, I'd have to wait for price to come back into this supply zone right here. If it comes back into the supply zone, I'd wait for it to tap into this zone right here, give me a break of the candle past this, and then I'll take the sell. Okay, price has tapped into this zone right here, so looking at that, just looking at different things, you know, seeing like, what's going on here? Does price want to do, what does price want to do, right? It's so hard to say. I'm gonna uninvert it. So it's a 10-minute. Oh shit, look at that. So I guess, you know, I guess that's something that I guess I could have taken, but I wasn't really looking at that. I don't even know what exactly there was to look at, to be honest. So sucks, because I felt like there possibly was a setup there for me, but I have no idea to be able to be like, oh yeah, for sure, right? No, hard for me to say. Maybe that could have been it, but again, I was not looking at that. Alright, I'll let you know. Okay, so something that I'm looking at is price could potentially tap into this 10-minute right here. Right now on the 32nd, that's where it is. 152 is the area that I'm looking. That's down here in this area. So that's how it's looking like. This is on the 10-minute, dropping down to the 2, dropping down to the 1. We can see some like potential thing. Got this little supply zone or demand zone right here, but let's just see what price does. As far as news, we don't got anything today within my time, so not worried about that other than, you know, 9:30. But yeah, so I'll let you know. This is like those parts where I kind of get, you know, a little confused, because if you look up the 10-minute, and like I have this thing right here where it's like a little wick, and price could potentially come down to this point and then continue going. But if I go to the 10, like we have a lot of like a lot of bearish without any like pullback, and so I just feel like this could potentially be the pullback. And you know, I don't know, let me go on my demo, because like a part of me just wants to go for this, like go for the buy, you know.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, so sorry about that. This is demo. Okay, so that's demo. Let me put the volume down. Oh, well, I guess that would have worked out. I was just too afraid, huh? Or close to working out. I'm just gonna hold it. Damn, that sucks. I mean, yeah, it looks bullish, right? Higher highs. It just, the area that we're in, I just feel a little bit like unsure. Like, I don't know. That's just how I feel. So, yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so that would have worked out if I went for a buy. Man, I just wasn't sure. Was it fear? It was just, like, just not feeling like that was the right decision to make because of where we were. But I mean, at least we took it on this account, so it doesn't feel like a total waste. But yeah, that actually fucking does suck, like, a lot, because here they showed us could have gotten in here, like, could have gotten in so many places, but I'm in none. I'm in none of them. Very pissed off about that. I just have a hard time trusting myself, everything here, and, like, does it make sense? And yeah, it's just not the best, right? And now I'm even more scared to even take a setup because, like, I know where we're headed, or I know where price is going up to, and I just feel, yeah, very nervous. Okay, so I see this, and it seems like price is just tapped into, like, a 2-minute supply zone. On the 10-minute, we are tapped into, like, sort of like a 10-minute SNR zone. So I'm looking at this right now. Price is kind of coming down. If you look at, where did price tap into? So price tapped into this, and it's making its way down a bit. Kind of broke the candle. So if price comes up to this point or around here and then gives me a break, I will go for the sell. Like, okay. So yeah, so I'd look for price to come back into this area within this zone right here, or like within this supply zone. And then yeah, I'm not taking the sell unless price comes and taps into this zone and then makes its way down. I'm not taking anything else. That's not what I'm looking for. Either tap in this fair value gap, tap in this zone. I'm not looking for anything else. I'll let you know. Okay. So we just got price coming into this. So we got 37 seconds left. So I swear, if price taps into this, gives me a break of the candle, I'm taking that sell. If price comes and blasts past this zone right here and it goes like over here, then I'm just gonna get rid of my setup. So yeah, let's see if we can potentially get a break of the candle, but if not, then this is going to be my entry zone, like down here. I'm not trying to go for a sell here or here or there. Down here. So yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, price blasted all the way up here. If price gets like above here, then I'm not going for any type of buy or sell, sorry. So yeah. Okay, so price broke out, so I got rid of my setup, so I'm not looking at that anymore. I still have this, still set up, but yeah, I don't know, man. Like, today's just such a hard day for me. Like, there's the demand setup right there, and I seen that, and I still didn't take the break of the candle, and that one is the one that hits. This entire time it's been bullish, but I haven't been bullish because I've been too afraid to be, and then that's just been the way. Now look at this. I just feel like, why can't I do anything? Just this entire time price has been going bullish. Why have I been trying to look for sells? And it's like, Look at here. I literally talked about how price has been bearish for a very long time, and it's probably on its way to make a pullback. And what do? Continuously look for sells, looking for sells. Meanwhile, price is making higher highs in front of my face. And it's like the tiring part of trading. It's like you don't feel like anything's right. You feel like you're going to make a mistake every time you get to the markets. You're too afraid to make a mistake, so you don't do anything. And then when you finally want to strike, when you finally actually want to get into a setup, it's the setup that loses. It's the setup that don't even make sense. It's the setup that you got into because you saw all the other times price was going down or price was going up, and you were too afraid to be a part of it. And then now the time when you're finally not afraid, that's when price actually wants to go against you. Why does that happen to me all the fucking time? Like, actually. So, yeah. I'll let you know. I might take this sell right here, because price tapped into a 10-minute fair value gap. And it already gave us the break of the candle. I just wasn't there to get in. But now I'm in. So price tapped into it, gave us the break, came up into the zone, and gave us the break of the candle. I was supposed to get an entry over here, but price was too far. Oh, I guess we're about to get stopped out. Okay, just working on my breathing. Okay, looks like we might get stopped out here. Okay. At least I tried. I followed my setup. I know why I took it. I know why I took it. It was a 10-minute fair value gap right there. Price just tapped into it. And so I wanted to take the thing, and I got stopped out. The trade that you actually take doesn't work, but all the trades that you passed up on does work. Okay, I'm going for this. Okay, so we got stopped out, right? I'm gonna go for this buy right here. Right, in quotes. Because, like, I just have this feeling that price is gonna actually drop right here, so. I don't know. I ain't gonna hold you. I went for another sell. I'm not gonna hold you. I went for a sell. I'm not gonna hold you. I went for the sell. I went for, I guess, basically a breakout. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong on this, I'm just gonna call it a day, because I'm definitely not in the right mindset. And the reason why I went for the sell is because I hated losing. And we're about to get stopped out. Okay. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. We're gonna call it here. I know why I took this setup, because price gave us the break of the candle, gave us that, it stopped us out, and then it closed underneath the 13 EMA. If we get a break, you know, this could potentially be good, but I don't know, bro. I think this is just a classic case of revenge trading. Wanting to go right. Yeah, so I'll let you know if we're getting close to being stopped out. This is where price is currently, but I'll let you know. Gonna move my stop loss up just a bit. So if I lose this trade, moving my stop loss up or down, or I don't know, just protecting myself. Not going to close early unless, you know, we're tapping into a 10-minute. Let me check that real quick. And we're not, so I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this till it hits my stop loss or it hits my TP. I'm holding this. I'll let you know. Okay, I just got it. I don't know if you heard it. I just got the order filled. This is some fucking bullshit, bro. Down $6. Bruh. To get stopped out for it to literally just go in my direction. Like, wow, bro. That's crazy. And I was scared, but I had some, like, I belief in it because I know why, in quotes, I know why I took the setup. I wasn't dumb. I'm gonna go for the sell.
Order filled.
On my
order filled.
That's demo. This is demo. It's gonna continue the sell going down on my demo account. Don't worry, not my live account. But yeah, like I knew why I went for the sell, and when I saw price close past this, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I was like, I gotta take this sell because then it's a breakout. It's the same setup that I went for in the first place. And then now we have extra congruence because it stopped me out, so liquidity, and then for it to just completely go, you know, that's kind of what I was going for, or hoping for. Jesus Christ. It's currently, I don't know, why did I do it like this? It's currently 9:08. Yeah. Like really making an emphasis on breathing and doing the bellows breathing and, you know, slowly, right? I feel like, you know, at that part, you know, I was scared, but I really was getting the breathing. Like my heart still pounds fast, but, and like having the breathing gets me into this mode of like, okay, just remember that, and you know, we can be okay. So that's what I'm just trying to do. It's currently 9:09. I could potentially trade again after 9:30 or whatever. But we'll just see. All right. Okay, so I'm low-key seeing something here. I'm gonna be drastic.
Stop
I'm
filled.
gonna go for this buy.
Stop filled.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I was wrong.
Stop filled.
Now, why did I go for that sell or buy? I went for that buy because on the 10-minute, we just tapped into a fair value gap. On the 10-minute, like if you see that one, this 10-minute on the 1 minute, we tapped into it. And so I was just looking at that as like an area for price to potentially reverse from and continue to go for buys or sells. And we got stopped out on that one too. So I was just looking at it, I was just like, wait a minute. Hold on, I think price is gonna push up from here. And it had a good push, but it didn't run with it, so. Yeah. Okay, so I guess sells were wrong. I guess price wants to continue going down. Tapped into that fair value gap, and now it's just there. And talk about this, it stopped us out to then just go in our direction. So yeah, that's just awesome. Okay, I tilted. I can fully admit that I tilted. Thought I can do this, but couldn't do this. Couldn't just stay on the sidelines. I felt disrespected, and I wanted to prove that, like, I can do this. And so I got in a setup. I got into a trade that, listen, not saying that it can't go anywhere, but it's like, this is not how I'm supposed to be trading, bro. This isn't how. This is simply the way that a trader who doesn't want to lose, who hates losing, trades. And yeah, again, if this loses, then we're calling it a day. It is 9:17. Like, yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm just gonna hold it, let it do whatever it wants to do. Doesn't matter to me, right? They don't care about me. And this is like the shit that I'm saying. Remember when I went for a buy here and it didn't work out? How much you want to bet this is the one? So you go for a sell when you think it makes sense. Then because they stopped you out for a buy, and then now they stop you out for that sell to be bullish. Fuck you. Whatever. I don't care anymore. Sorry. I'm tilting. See how close it got to TP? Wow. We're down. Oh, we're down $20. Crazy, bro. Like, actually crazy. Going for the same exact setup, getting stopped out. Going for the same exact setup, getting TP hit. Like, it's shit like this. It's just absolutely unfucking believable. Like, you never know what the fuck price is going to do. My question is, why the fuck there? Why there for the buy? Why there for the buy? I literally cannot tell you. Why there? Such a random fucking place. On the 10-minute, there's nothing there that would make me think, oh, so why did you go for it? Literally, I saw price here in this area, busy. I was in for that sell. It stopped me out, and then it closed bullish above the 13 EMA. And so I'm gonna like, fuck it. I'm gonna take the breakout. Fuck you. I'm gonna take the breakout. I don't care anymore. That's exactly what I screamed. And I was like, fuck it. And that's exactly what I did. And guess what? It hit TP. This shit doesn't make any fucking sense. It's 9:23. Let's see if we can get another setup. Ooh, if you wanted to take that, I'm gonna take that buy.
Order filled.
On the demo. On the demo. This is the demi. So it's currently 9:28. On my demo account, I just got the order filled for that trade that I took up here. So yeah, that's cool. But it's 8:28. Few seconds till what? It's about to be 8:29 right now, right there. So we got one more minute till 9:30. So yeah. Oh shit! Bro, look at what happened. It's not even 9:30 yet. Jesus. Imagine if I went for that buy though. Okay, but on the 10-minute, we tapped into this, oh shit, this area right here, this fair value gap. So I'm a little bit like, you know? So let's see. Okay. So it's currently 9:30. This is how price is, and there's a fucking huge ass spider. Literally backing up from my computer just so that we could figure this out. I think it's fucking huge. Australia much? Nope, just a basement. Yeah, I killed that jaw, for real. I wasn't playing with that bitch. The fuck? Alright, I ain't gonna hold you. I took another setup. I took a buy. It happened spontaneously. I took a buy, breaking a candle off of this, and I just took that and got the order filled. So now they're down $9.67. And I could have held it too, but I was scared. I won't lie to myself. I was scared. Like, I could have held it, had it be all the way here, stop loss or TP up here, but nah, I just, yeah. Oh, get that out. Get that out of here. Right now, and I was bullish because on the 10-minute price tapped into this zone right here. So I was a little bit more bullish than bearish. So, yeah. I'll take the setup. I don't really care. Since we won that setup, if I lose on this one, I don't even care. We'll be back at the place that we were before we even took the setup, so. But I actually want to take the chance. We got this fair value gap. Price over here. Let's see if price gives a fuck or doesn't. And this will be my last trade of the day. Win or lose. I think it's about to stop us out. If it don't got nice momentum, we're cooked. It gotta close like that though. I don't like that little kid shit. Like, it gotta actually close like that. Alright, I'll let you know. I don't really, like, I care, but like, you really gotta close like that. Like, there's no point of you coming up in here and not closing up here. Like, falling short all the time. come on, bro. He was doing so well. Now you're ass. Bruh. Bruh, look at that. Look at this. You're doing so well. Now you're booty butt cheeks. And you gotta close like that. And pipe the fuck up. Pipe up, bro. Nice rejection, but you gotta close like that. And you gotta get to TP. It's up here. Come on, dog. Gotta close like that. Come on, dog. What you trying to get into? Is you about this life or not? Oh, my fault. Oh, let me zoom out. Is you about this life or not, bro? Wasting my time and shit. It's 9:36. Come on, bro. What do you want to do? What are you trying to do? Focus on my breathing. Oh my god, bro. I'm moving my stop loss. I don't care. Move my stop loss right underneath this low. Bruh, if price don't want to go up there, come on. We right there. We right there with it. Come on, bro. Come on. What you trying to do? What you trying to get into? Come on, bro. I'm moving my shit to break even. Let's go. Let's go. What you trying to get into? Like, taking forever. Oh my god. Now we at $6 on the day. I'm done, bro. I'm done. We took 7 trades, bruh. 7 trades. We lost our first trade, won the second one, lost the other one, lost that next one, then we won the next 3. So yeah, that's not that great, but we got something from it. So yeah, I'm done for the day. We took 7 trades. How do I feel? I felt like very nervous, very scared. I took a trade up down here. I didn't record it because I was nervous and felt like I was tilting. But I think I showed you all this trade. I think I did. I saw the fair value gap, and then price tap in, and then I got break of the candle right here, and I think I put it below and targeted that. But yeah, this was a long vlog, but that's gonna be the end of this John today. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm excited to be back, excited to, vlogging my experience, calling myself out, and, overall being more present, being more aware of my breathing, and really using the practices, thinking about my safe place. As far as my, how I felt, I did feel like that tension, but I also have a lot more clinging to that breathing shit, and, just using that, and, my heart feels good, Like, I felt like before I'd get into that mode and be so freaking chaotic that nothing can happen, nothing right goes right. But this time, not bad. Yeah. So that's gonna be the end of today. If you want to see more of these videos, I'm gonna be vlogging, basically every day now. So, hit the subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for all my upcoming trading vlogs. And yeah, I hope to see you guys here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye. Yeah.